Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
First, confirm your platform supports local split screen with 2 players on console. You need 2 controllers and 2 Epic accounts signed in. Open Fortnite on the primary account and reach the lobby. Have the second player press the secondary controller button to join on the same console. Wait for both avatars to appear. The screen should split automatically when both controllers are active. If the second player cannot join, sign out and sign in again with their Epic account on the console. Next, optimize settings to improve split screen performance and reduce lag. Set the graphics quality to performance mode or lower settings to target 60 FPS or 30 FPS. Turn off motion blur and reduce shadow quality to free GPU resources. Disable background downloads, close other apps, and restart the console before playing. If you notice frame drops, lower resolution scaling within Fortnite settings to maintain stable frame rates. These steps minimize stutter, and if split screen still does not work, follow these troubleshooting steps to fix it. Clear the console cache by powering down fully and unplugging for 30 seconds, then restart. Make sure both players use separate Epic accounts and that console firmware is up to date. Try removing the second player from the lobby and re-adding them with the secondary controller. As a last resort, reinstall Fortnite or contact Epic support with specific error messages and your console model. Keep account and game versions current to avoid recurring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.